Welcome to RDI Step-by-Step Installation Guide. During this video, we will walk through how to properly install RDI system in the field, ensuring efficiency and optimal performance. Site preparation. Begin by preparing the soil. Remove sharp objects from the field. Rake the area to make it clean and well leveled before installation of the tube. Tank installation and placement. Tank should be placed 70 centimeters high from the ground, and height of the tank from ground to water fill level should be 1.6 meter, so it can deliver pressure from 2 to 2.2 psi. Make sure you have necessary tools and fitting before starting. Installation of tank adapter and gate valve. Tighten 32 mm female thread adapter. Insert 25 mm reducer bushing. Install 25 mm elbow. Install 25 mm union gate valve. Installation of the water meter. Make 3 to 4 rounds of Teflon tape on each side of water meter thread. Tighten 25 mm to 3/4 female socket on both sides of the water meter. While installing the water meter, make sure that the arrow on the bottom of the water meter is positioned towards the header line. Assembling and installation of pressure gauge. Insert the PVC reducer bushing 25 mm to 20 mm into 25 mm PVC female adapter. Make 3 to 4 rounds of Teflon tape. Tighten the 25 mm PVC adapter into the 25 mm to 3/4 thread T fitting. Tighten the pressure gauge to 1/4 spigot reducer bushing. Attach the pressure gauge into 25 mm female adapter. Assembling and installation of header line. The line-to-line spacing depends on crops, can be checked through RDI Crop Guide. Insert 25 mm to 3/4 thread T fitting. Insert 25 mm end cap on both sides of header line. Repeat the process for all number of lines at field. Make 3 to 4 rounds of Teflon on 5 by 8 inch to 3 by 4 inch twist lock fitting and tighten it into the 25 mm to 3 by 4 inch T. Trenching for RDI tape. Put thread on both header and footer end and mark the line by sharp object for straight trenching. Make sure to measure the spacing at footer line as well. Minimum depth of trench is 3 to 4 inches or more depending on crop. You can check the depth of the trench by putting any object horizontally. Installation of RDI tape. Carefully unroll the RDI tape and trench, keeping it flat and tension-free. Cut the RDI tape from the header line when it reaches the marked spot on the footer side. Insert the opening of the RDI tape to the twist lock fitting and tighten it properly to avoid leak. Assembling and installation of footer line. Insert twist lock 2 barb T fitting in one end of 16 mm poly pipe. Tighten the twist lock barb valve on the other end. Continue it for all the lines on field. Insert the opening of the tape to the twist lock 2 barb T fitting and tighten the twist lock. Repeat this process for all the lines. Backfilling of the trenches. Turn the water supply on and charge the RDI tape before covering. Before backfilling the tubes, make sure that the tube is laid straight in trenches with no twists and kinks. While backfilling the trenches, make sure not to use sharp objects to avoid tape from getting damaged. Post-installation required checks. Check the reading on water meter to see the volume of water consumed. Check the pressure before header line and at footer line. Pressure before the header line and on the footer is 2 psi. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos on RDI tape installation and maintenance. For further queries, please contact us on the contacts given at the end.